So over the years, I've accumulated a lot of credit cards and I'm not sure. I always forget which one should I use in order to receive the maximum number of points or cash back. So in this video, I'm going to show you my labeling system, get things sorted out. All right, welcome to this video. Thanks for clicking. I've got a lot of credit cards here and we're trying to solve the problem of how can we devise a labeling system so that when we're at a restaurant or gas station, for example, we know exactly which card to use because each one offers different number of points. So what we're going to do here is get them separated. I've got my wife's cards, my wife's credit cards, and my credit cards. And we're going to get them all lined up and then do a little research going to my credit card app for each credit card. Yeah, it takes several minutes because I want to basically write down in one clean place, this credit card is worth this amount of cash back. For example, if I spend money at a restaurant on this card, I'm going to get 3% cash back. If I fill up my gas tank with this card, I'm going to get 6% cash back. And I'm going to put that all in one spot. By the way, click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share the channel with somebody. I do lots of home projects around the house, problem solving, saving you time and money. All right, so we've got the credit cards lined up here and we've got all the benefits written down on a piece of scratch paper. Next, we're gonna take some yellow painter's tape, just like this, and I'll put links down below for all the supplies that you see, and I'm gonna be cutting off little squares, and we're basically gonna be attaching the yellow tape to the credit card. Disregard the blue tape in the video, that's to block out my personal information, obviously. And we're gonna be adhering the yellow tape to the credit card in a small square like this and make sure it's firmly pressed down onto the credit card. Now, importantly, you want to make sure you don't block any chip, right? The credit card that has the chip on it, you've seen those. So make sure it's at the right side as opposed to the left or wherever your chip may not be. And also make sure if they swipe the credit card, there's a strip on the back side, right? You've seen that before. Make sure that is not, that the piece of tape is not blocking that in any way, shape, or form. And we're going to transfer that benefit clearly and concisely onto the yellow piece of tape. So here's a bad example because there's a strip on the other side of that tape. So you're going to want to move that one down a little bit because if you go to swipe it, it might not go through the card or the tape might come up in the card reader. That would be bad news. So we're going to have to move that a little later. But you can see on this card, for example, I've got 2% cash back on all purchases. There's that strip I was talking about. And this American Express card gives me 6% back in grocery stores. So guess what I'm going to write there? 6% back in grocery stores, right? And that is how it works. This is the end result. And from that point, you can put them into your wallet or into your purse, and you know exactly which one to use in exactly which situation to give you the maximum cash back on your purchases. Hopefully this has helped you.